Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. There's something special about classic trucks, and the GMC Vintage Pickup stands tall as one of the most iconic symbols of American strength and timeless design. As soon as you see that bold front grille, the rounded fenders, and the chrome accents glistening in the sunlight, you know you're looking at a piece of history that still commands respect today. This isn't just a truck, it's a story on wheels, built for those who value craftsmanship, durability, and pure mechanical soul. The GMC Vintage Pickup captures an era when vehicles were made to last a lifetime. Under that long hood sits an engine that doesn't just run, it roars. Depending on the model year, you could find a rugged inline-six or a powerful V8, both delivering the kind of torque that makes towing, hauling, or just cruising feel effortless. There's no computer wizardry or fancy digital display here, just raw power and pure connection between driver and machine. You feel every gear shift, every rumble, every pulse of the engine as it reminds you what real driving used to be. Step inside, and the cabin greets you with simplicity and character. The bench seat, often wrapped in classic leather or vinyl, tells stories of countless miles and hard-working days. The large steering wheel feels solid in your hands, the metal dashboard carries gauges that tick with precision, and that old-school column shifter stands as a tribute to a time when driving required skill, not screens. The smell of aged leather and fuel brings nostalgia that no modern vehicle can replicate. Every detail, from the knobs to the mirrors, was designed to do its job and do it well. Outside, the GMC Vintage Pickup's design is unmistakable. The broad stance and wide wheel arches give it a muscular look, while the rounded headlights and polished chrome trim highlight its elegance. This was a time when trucks had style, bold, confident, and purposeful. Whether it's parked at a car show, rolling down a dirt road, or hauling a load of lumber, it looks right at home anywhere. The paint may have faded for some, the metal may have weathered, but those marks only add to its personality and authenticity. For collectors and restorers, the GMC Vintage Pickup is more than just a machine, it's a passion project. Restoring one means bringing history back to life, bolt by bolt, wire by wire. Enthusiasts spend hours tracking down original parts, polishing chrome bumpers, and tuning engines to get that perfect rumble. The reward: owning a piece of mechanical art that never goes out of style. Every time you turn the key, it feels like stepping back into the golden age of motoring. Even in today's world of electric and autonomous vehicles, the GMC Vintage Pickup holds its ground. It represents freedom, self-reliance, and pride in hard work. It reminds us that true beauty lies in simplicity and authenticity. When you drive one, people stop and stare, not because it's fast, but because it's real. The lines, the curves, the sound of that engine, all of it speaks to a time when vehicles had character, and every drive was an experience, not just a commute. The GMC Vintage Pickup isn't just a truck, it's a symbol of a lifestyle built on grit, craftsmanship, and heart. It stands as proof that good design and solid engineering never fade. Whether fully restored or left in its original patina, this truck continues to inspire admiration from every generation. It's a rolling reminder of America's automotive heritage, and even decades later, it still turns heads, starts conversations, and stirs emotions. This is more than nostalgia, it's a living legend, one that continues to rumble proudly down the road, carrying history in every mile. We'll see you next video.